Dad! Look what I got!
Hello, sweetheart.
What is it? A 95 on my math test.
95?
Uh-huh.
That's wonderful.
Maya, this is excellent. You worked hard.
I studied every night for 2 weeks.
You should be very proud of yourself.
Why would someone even needs in a tape out them?
This shows real intelligence and responsibility.
Thank you. It feels so good.
You know what? You deserve something special.
Really? What do you mean?
Ah,
I want to celebrate. When?
when?
How about this weekend? Surprise you.
This is the best day ever.
We love you, sweetie.
More than anything. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I have something. Hi, honey. Come on in.
Everything okay?
You guys are not going to believe this. It's my math test. I got a 75.
Oh, that's okay, Tom. 75 is not bad.
I studied hard. I really did try.
We see that, but try even harder.
But I improved so much last time.
Shouldn't be satisfied with 75, Tom.
Okay. I understand.
Keep working on math, all right?
Yes, I will.
It's quiet now. He seemed happy, though.
What is this? For me?
Open it and see.
Oh my goodness.
A tablet.
It's your reward for excellent work.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much.
This will help you learn even more. Ah,
Explore knowledge and study on it.
I'm so happy. Thank you, thank you.
that's great, Maya.
We are so proud of you, sweetie.
You did an amazing job out there today. I don't even know why I bother eating this. It all tastes the same lately.
Tom, look. I downloaded 3 learning apps. Can I try it sometime?
It's my reward, Tom. I'm exploring.
Just for studying? For math help?
Try harder first, like I do. I guess you were right. It's impossible. Tom, wait. It's not like that. I just need some space right now. Tom, how was school today? Did you work on your math? You should study harder for better grades.
Yes.
I know.
This is so fun.
I tried so hard. Why doesn't anyone see that?
Tom seems withdrawn. I'm worried.
He's probably upset about his test score.
Maybe. But it seems like more than that.
If he wants a reward, he needs to achieve more.
I think there's something deeper happening here. Oh, Tom. I hurt him. I made him feel small. He has so many good things. Why did I make him feel less?
Tom, we need to talk. Really talk.
Okay. We haven't been fair to you. I'm sorry. We missed what you were actually doing. What do you mean? You're working hard. You're improving. That matters.
We should have seen that. We didn't.
I just wanted you to notice. We notice now. And we're sorry.
Oh, my sweet boy.
We love you so much.
I love you too. If you carry the one over here, the equation balances out.
Exactly, you've almost got it.
Oh, I see now. Thanks, Dad.
Let's work through this problem together, step by step.
So, do we carry the one here?
Exactly, honey. Let's look closer.
See how you understood that part? That's excellent work.
That's progress. That's real learning, Tom.
Tom, do you want help with math?
Really?
Yes.
I'm sorry I was unkind before, Tom. You were just proud of your reward. I understand that.
I was. But I made you feel bad. That was wrong. Let me show you this concept. Together, we'll figure it out.
Oh. I think I understand now.
You do! You're getting it.
It's okay, Tom. I understand. I'm just really happy right now, Maya.
I learned something new in class today about science.
Tell us more. What did you learn?
If you adjust the slider here, the colors will balance out. Go ahead and try it. Like this.
I learned something important, Tom.
What?
Being a good parent means seeing each child's real effort.
Not all children learn at the same speed.
I'm slower than Maya, though.
You're not slower. You're learning your own way.
You're also kind and patient, Tom.
Those are qualities we should celebrate too.
Really?
Your effort, your persistence, these matter deeply.
A 75 with real effort is beautiful.
And a 95 doesn't make me better than you.
You're really good at math, though.
I'm good at math. You're good at caring about people. This is exactly where you belong.
Right here with us.
This casserole is the best thing on the table.
I know, I'm getting some right now.
I'm glad you both like it so much.
Tom, look how much you've learned.
This shows real growth, Tom.
I understood most of it this time.
You're improving every week. You mean the world to us, son.
More than words can say.
This is the best night ever. It feels so good to just sit here together.
Yeah, a perfect evening. I love our family time.
We learn something as parents.
Success isn't just about grades and rewards,
It's about seeing each child's real journey.
and celebrating effort at every level.
Tom isn't less because he learns differently.
And I know Maya isn't showing off anymore.
That's real success. I'm just so relieved everything worked out.
Me too, honey. We're finally home.
I'm glad we figured this out. Me too.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for being honest about your feelings.
This makes us stronger together.